This is the Keychron V6 Max wireless custom mechanical keyboard. It's a versatile 2.4 GHz or Bluetooth or corded keyboard with a full-size layout and RGB lighting designed for productivity and gaming across Mac, Windows, and Linux systems. I'm going to do a demo of a lot of features for you, so just hang with me. The product has hot swappable Gateron banana switches for satisfying customizable typing, which means that you can go underneath the keys and then swap out the switch itself. I've already swapped out some keys. I'll show you the extra keys that come with the keyboard in just a moment. As you can see, there are RGB backlighting that's scrolling across. You can change it to do tons of different functions. You could do a whole multi-minute video on just the different color options that are there. As far as the build of the keyboard, it's very premium and durable. I'll do a typing demo in a second, but it does make a bit of satisfying noise, so I didn't want to do that at the same time that I was talking. And I've been using it a bit for hobbies with my personal computer. I'm just moving it to the side here for this video. So let's take a look at some of the other features that are in the box, and then I'll do a little typing demo. As you can see, it comes in a fairly nice package. Let me get that open for us. I should have left the lid off. All right. Quick start guide, very helpful for initial setup. I mentioned that I swapped some keys. You have enter and escape in red. There's also the keys that you would need if you wanted to use an insert key, a lock key. You have option key, and then also like your Apple command key. I'm personally using it with Windows, so I don't need those features. There's this handy tool. If you need to swap out a key on the keyboard, all you do is just fit it around the key and then pull gently up. Very useful, very straightforward. There are some other tools here that are provided. I'm assuming that that's if you get deep into the weeds. If we take a look at the back of the keyboard, you can see that there is the ability to take it apart with that Allen wrench. So that's probably what that's for. I haven't gotten that far into the customization yet. Let me do this at an angle. You can see the lights a little bit better. You can do a lot of different patterns. Some of them are responsive to where you touch on the keyboard. So if you like that visual, that's an option. As far as propping it, there are these classic tilt things on both sides like you typically have with keyboards. So if you want it to be slightly angled, that's an option. The other thing I should point out, there's some switches here to set it between Windows or Mac, or you can use the Bluetooth or USB communication. Personally, I've just been moving around with this USB cable. That way it can also charge. And yeah, so far I've really liked this. Let's do a little typing demo. I'm not a professional typist by any means, so don't judge me too much. I'm just doing this for the sound demo. So yeah, this is my new Keychron V5 Max keyboard. I've just begun to get used to it, but I think it's really satisfying, and I highly recommend giving it a try if you're interested in a high-tech keyboard.